A mother visiting her child's grave got a visitor of her own.
Kevin, hello. You're beautiful.
Marie Robinson of England lost her son Jack to brain cancer 4 years ago. She went to his grave on the anniversary of his death to sit with him for a while when she says this red robin came to keep her company. It didn't seem to be afraid at all, landing on her foot and even perching on her fingers when she called it as it watched over her from a nearby grave.
You're so sweet.
The grieving mother was brought to tears by the beautiful moment, which she is taking as a sign of love from her late son. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Mara Montalbano.